shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for March 11th, 2020. We're going to start with the SPY, since the SPY just went down below our bear below 280 level. And key levels to watch are 274.88. Yep, that was the dark pool level right from this day. Okay, yep. They were buying at the end of the day. They pushed it back up to the 4 and down we went again. So very popular pattern. The big question is it going to hold that? If it does not hold that, look out below. All right, I put trade down to the dark pool DP. That's what that means. And if we don't hold 272.58, and let me just see if I can maybe give you another level. I just want to be prepared, right? It's like, isn't it a big Fed day today? There's some kind of announcement today in the afternoon. So if we don't hold, yeah, 268.46. I'm just going to put that on here. Just want to be prepared for everything. 268.46 is S2. Yeah, it's going to be pretty big there. Okay. Add that in there. Okay. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Oops. Bullish above 28.38, bear below 2,800. Up, and we went below already. Yep, so I set these out really early in the morning. I start at 6:30 Eastern. Yeah, so I came in, and that's how I picked my levels using this pre-market price action. We're going to go to the Russell next. Bullish above 132.50 and bear below 130. We are off to the races already. And the Qs. Bull above 201 and bear below 198. We had a big dark pool level 2 days ago as well at 193.92. So that's going to be a test to see if we hold that. Yep, we could retrace to see, hey guys, you still want to buy some there? And if they don't, look out below. Just keep in mind the bigger levels are above us. But if they're starting to nibble and buy, these are really key levels to watch. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 82.50 and bear below 81.50 for the NASDAQ futures. Let's go to oil. Oil's at 33.04 right now. Let's check those babies out. All right, pre-market volume happened between 33.08, which we are testing right now. Yeah, watch, this is cool because pre-market, that's where they were kind of nibbling, and it looks like they might be again. We'll see. Bullish above 33.50. So we really have to go above here to be bullish. And I'm going to be bearish below 33. Yeah, from here to here, that would be my first trade setup down on the oil front. All right, let's go to the gold. Gold futures. So we're going to be bullish above 1670. Yep, there's that Camarilla. We just hit it and pulled away from it. Bearish below 1655. That would be below the pivot. Now it'd be uber bullish if we could break above this R1 level. That's really the big kahuna trade right there and right here. Yeah, in here we can kind of, you know, algo battle back and forth. But those are really the big wide open trades for gold. So if you're trading anything related, watch those levels. Let's go back to the oil here. And let me just switch. Yeah, I'm always watching the futures on my other screen. Always. Even though I do trade options on the SPY, I will watch the E-minis before I enter. Yep. Big key. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. We have quite a few of them. AMD, only bullish above 45.25. And so, you know, yesterday's retracement trades, right? We had these trades yesterday, retracement to the 4 EMA. Today, I'm picking between the 4 and the 8 on a lot of stocks. So they're far away for the bullish. We really need to hammer up and break through the 4 EMA. I don't know what's going to happen this afternoon, but I just always want to be prepared with those levels. Now, if we do move down, and then we get some buy prints in, then there could be other shorter term trades. But right now, these are the key levels. Bear below 43.75 for AMD. Let's go to Bank of America. This is my best trade yesterday on the short side. Today, we're going to be bullish above 23. Yeah, so there is a little trade here. There's enough room for a retracement if we do pull up. We had big prints 22.21. Let's see if we test those today, and 22 is also another level. So bearish below 22. Yep, if we start to go down below that, look out below. Apple, we had a big print yesterday, 500,000 at 279.80. Bull above 281 for Apple. All right, and there you go. That's that, oops. Let me just get my mouse. That's that trade between the 4 and the 8 right in there. And then bear below 275. If we break below this 120 simple moving average, okay, look out below. Notice how I'm using my daily chart for day trading. I know everybody looks at a 1 minute, a 2 minute, a 5 minute. I look at the 5 minute for these major moving averages. So I'll be bull above. But it's all about the daily chart. That's my secret weapon. Microsoft, bullish above 159. And again, that's that same trade between the 4 and the 8. If we could break above that, the bear trade much easier, below 155. USO, bull above 720. That would be a retracement to the 4 EMA. There's a lot of room there if we do start to push up. Bear below 687, a lot of room to the downside. We did have a print 2 days ago at 655. So that could be a retracement to test that. That's a really key level. See if we hold that. Tesla. Yeah, so Tesla, Alana, you asked me why I picked the 650 level. I'm looking for that pocket trade, by the way, right there. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of traffic lights here on the 5 minute chart. So again, with Tesla, you really need wide open to get a good trade. So that's why I picked above 650. I mean, you can chisel, you know, a couple dollars here and there. All right, but the big trade is really above here to here. That's why I picked that level. Bear below 620, much easier trade on the bear side if it does start to move down to 600. And then if it can't hold that, 580.44 is S2, person's pivots. So TLT was another example of these moving averages on a 5 minute chart. Yeah, these are really powerful. The 200 exponential, 200 simple. They're phenomenal. So if I'm going to go long, I want to make sure we're above it. They do move. So sometimes my levels start out above it, but as the day goes on, these guys kind of move up. I always want you to be aware and never go long if they're right above your head. Okay? Really respect those. Those are powerful. So I picked the 168 to kind of be clear of that. So we are bullish above 168 on TLT, bear below 164.50. And here's that trade between the 4 down to the 8. EMA. Let's go to Carnival. Carnival Cruise. Oh boy, everybody's canceling their trips. We do have a high volume hammer that tried to form here. We'll see if we can stay above it. Here's how the hammer works. If we close below the wick, that is uber bearish. Yep, so that's what everybody's watching right now for a swing trade. CCL will be bullish above 23.60. There's a little trade up to the 4 EMA. Bear below 22, going down. But again, this is the big picture right there. You want to watch that for CCL. Let's go to gold, GLD. Bullish above 157.50. Yep, there's room to go up higher. And bear below 155. That's below the 8 EMA. We did have a large print yesterday, 155.69, 579,000. So, yep, that's going to be a key level. See if we go and test it. A lot of times what they'll do is they may bring it down to 155.69 right there, and then bounce it back up again. And that's always going to be your best entry after it retests and starts to move above the next level again, 156 area. And if it does come down and test it and it cannot hold, look out below. Then this was just a splash up and the true move is going to be down. So we'll see. This afternoon we can get some wild movements in gold and financials. We'll see what's going on. So until next time, happy trading. Be nimble.
Nothing, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.